Welcome to an introduction to support courses for math and statistics. In this video, I'm going to provide you with a brief overview of how a support course works. Let's get started. You might be wondering, what is a support course? A corequisite support course is designed to review prerequisite skills necessary for success in a transfer level math course. Perhaps you're wondering, what's the difference between a corequisite course and a prerequisite course? Let's take a look at the difference on the next slide. A prerequisite course is one that should be successfully completed before taking the transfer level course. In a prerequisite course, you will learn the skills required for the next course before you take it. A corequisite course is one that is taken at the same time as a transfer level course. In a corequisite course, you will review the prerequisite skills required for the next course while you take it. Let's look at some examples of both prerequisite and corequisite models. For prerequisite courses, you're looking at least a 2-semester pathway. For example, if you were required to take Stat 300, which is our statistics course, the first semester you would take Math 120, which is our intermediate algebra course. The second semester you would take Stat 300. Similarly, if you needed to take Math 300, which is our Math Ideas course, you would start by taking Math 120, our intermediate algebra course, the first semester, followed by Math Ideas the second semester. So when you use the prerequisite course pathway, you're looking at least 2 semesters. If you take the corequisite pathway, you're looking at a 1-semester pathway. For example, if you needed to take Stat 300, which is our statistics course, you would take both Stat 300 and Stat 10, which is our support for statistics. 1 semester and you're done with your math requirement. Or if you needed to take Math 300, Math Ideas, you would register for both Math 300 and the corresponding Maths 95 course, which is the support for Math Ideas. 1 semester and you're done with your math requirement. You can choose to take either the prerequisite pathway or the corequisite pathway. Okay, you've registered for a support course. Now you're wondering, how does a support course work? Support courses rely on what we call just-in-time instruction. This is when students review the prerequisite math skills required for the transfer level course just as they're needed. For example, in a Stat 300 course, you would be learning about linear regression. To prepare you for linear regression, just a few days before, in your Stat 10 course, you would review the slope and the equation of a line. So instead of reviewing slope and the equation of the line in the prerequisite course a semester before, you're going to review these topics a day before or maybe a week before you need it in the transfer level course. Similarly, in a Math 300 course, you might be learning about annuities and loans. Just before you study annuities and loans in your Maths 95 class, you would review exponential functions. A support course shortens the time between when the prerequisite material is covered and when it's needed in the transfer level course. There are many benefits to taking a support course. Here are the top 3. The first one is that they assist students in finishing their math requirement faster. You're taking a 2-semester pathway and you're shortening it to 1 semester. The second one is you minimize the opportunity to forget the prerequisite skills. If you take the prerequisite course, you're looking at 1 full semester before it's needed in the transfer level course. If you take the support course, you're looking at usually about a week before it's needed. And finally, support courses provide students with the opportunity to learn study skills that they can use their entire college career. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.